Marina and welcome to Get Healthy with Hauterfly. In this month-long series, along with Nestlé, we're gonna help you usher in the new year by acing all your fitness goals and eating some delightful dishes. First episode, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious parfait. It's a perfect way to kickstart your morning and it's a great way to end a delicious meal. So the best way to make a parfait is to gather all the ingredients that you absolutely love, like granola, fresh berries, dried up berries, and most importantly, yogurt. So today I'm going to be using this Nestlé Grekyo Greek Yogurt. I'm going to add 2 spoons of the Grekyo yogurt at the base of the cup. I'm gonna add some granola. Best way to add some crunch to this parfait. Take some fresh berries and add a layer of that on top of the granola. And once again, top it off with some Greek yogurt. And now I'm gonna add some granola again. So now for the last layer, you can add some dried berries as well. So if you don't have any fresh berries, you can always use dried berries. Finally, cover this up with the last layer of some Greek yogurt again. Now you can garnish it with some coconut flakes or some edible flowers or just some fresh berries again. So I've already made the strawberry one earlier. Just look how amazing this looks. Try this recipe out, make sure to comment, like, and share this video, and stay tuned for more videos just like this on Hauterfly. Until next time.